When you get the online order link sent to your email, it's very easy to connect it to your Wix website. So here's the online order page. As you can see, it contains all the menu from the Clover. It has everything on there. So the next step is very simple. So all you do is link it to your Wix website, and then once you do that, then it becomes live and your customers can start ordering online. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you would do is you go on the back end of your Wix website and then press edit site right here. And then once you do that, you will see the home page. So what you want to do is you want to find a button that says order online. If you don't have an order online button, just create one. But if you already have one, then you can go right to it. So in this example here, they already have an order online button. But there's one. This one is a little bit unique because they have two locations. So what we want to do is we want to see where this button takes us, and then from there change that. So let's take a look at the link. It says it is linked to order on which page to go to. It says it goes to the order online page. Okay, so let's go ahead and find out what the order online page looks like. So we're going to go to the top here. Maybe drag this down a little bit, and I'm going to go to the order online page. Okay, and I'm going to go here, and then here's the order online page. As you can see, they have two locations. So what we do is find that location that is for that specific the link that was sent to you. You want to link it to that. So in this case, this is their location right here. So we want to change the link on this one. Okay. So we're going to click on this button here, and then see how it says linked. We're going to say we don't want it to go to this old link. We want to go to the new link. So all you do is copy and paste the new link. The new link was emailed to you. So you'll notice it's a new link because it ends with smartonlineorder.com like that. Okay. And then just like that, we're done. That's how we did it. Now it'll go to this new link. Okay, and then let me show you. Let's go ahead and take a look at something else here. I'm gonna go to the other page because they have a page called Locations too. Let's see what this says. Oh, they have another button here too, so we have to do that one too. So yeah, this is the same paste and location. So we're gonna change this link also. Press this button. See how this one doesn't say Smart Online Order. We want to change that to say Smart Online Order. Okay. That's it, and then link it, and then scroll down. Let's see if there's any other links. This one is the other location, so we're going to leave that one the way it is. Once this one has a Clover too, then we'll change the link to. But right now, this location does not have a Clover. This location has a Clover, so we're going to connect it to that. And let's take a look if there's any other links here. The gift shop, what is this? Order online. Let me see what this is. It was like they were just kind of, I see, okay, this is their Wix thing. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that. Let me go back to the home page. I'm going to scroll on the home page, see if I can find any other buttons that goes to the order online page. Okay, this one, let's see what this takes us. This takes us to the order online page, so we're fine with that. We don't need to change that. Looks like we're done. I don't see nothing else because that goes to the order online page, which is this page, and then from here they choose the location, right? So we already got it done. Let's go ahead and publish it. We're done, and then I'm going to go ahead and log out and see from a customer's perspective, see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back at the order online page here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the home button here. And this is the Wix website, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to press order online. And then I'm going to press this button here. It should take me to the order. There you go. You are ordering from the paste and location. Yeah, it worked perfectly. Just like how we wanted. I'm going to go back to the home page again. And then I'm going to just kind of scroll down, see if I find anything else unusual. Click on that. Oh, perfect. It takes me here again. Click on it. And there we go. Yeah, it's working correctly. You're ordering from the paste and location. So everything is working really well. Again, it's very simple to link it. If you get stuck, just give us a call or email, and we can do it for you. But again, it's very simple to link it to your Wix website so that you can get online orders through your Clover using your Wix website. Okay? All right. Thank you for your time.